Hi, Paul here from prwilsonmedia. Now, if you've got a number of Facebook pages that you want to manage, perhaps you're a social media agency who wants to be able to look after different ad accounts for different clients, well, Facebook Business Manager is a great option to explore. I'll show you how you can get it set up in this video. Here we go. First, you need to log in with the Facebook account you want to use to set up Business Manager. And then if you go to your browser and you go to business.facebook.com, and then you click the blue Create Account button. You enter a business name, click Continue, and then notice here I need capitalization, so let's change that. And you can add a name and email address, and as it says, nothing from your personal profile will be shown to people in the Business Manager account. So it's a way to be able to share access to this account to other people. So I'll enter that and click Finish. And then this is the Business Manager main pages. So you've got add a page, add your ad account, and then add people who are able to access that account. So first let's do add page. Add a page that you own. So you can either create a new page, add a page you've already got, or request access. I'm going to say create a page. You can step through the process of creating a page. So let's say local business. Let's say create page, and now that page is created and added to the account. So next step is to add an ad account. You can either add an existing one you already own, or you can set up a new account. And you just need to select the currency. Now importantly, with any ad account, if you're in the UK, don't select US dollars because you can't change it later, so make sure you, as in this case, we'd need to set up UK pounds. Obviously, if you're in the US, go ahead and choose US dollars. Then we go GB pounds, British pounds, sterling. Give the account a name, select your time zone, and then say create account. And you can also add roles, so you can add additional people if you wanted to, search for them. It can be advertiser or admin or analyst. I'll just click skip for that and then close. And so now for this Facebook account, you've got Wilkinson Media, the business account, and a personal ad account if you wanted to set that up separately. And finally, I just wanted to show you how it looks like for an admin if you want to manage it through Business Manager. So in this example, this page has been set up with Business Manager. So if I want to be able to post as the page, if you notice now it's just posting as me. But if I select at the top, go to Business Manager, I can now post as that page. So there's more to explore with that obviously, but do have a look around. It is a good option, particularly if you're going to manage multiple different accounts. I'm Paul from prwilsonmedia, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.